How to add a fav icon or a browser icon in Squarespace. So in order to do that, we first need to head over here into our actual Squarespace account. As you can see, I have in here my domain. So this is my website, and when I click on it, you should be able to show me in here the fav icon, which is right now is totally non-existent and on the actual design first of Squarespace, which is this cube right here. So I want to actually change that. So to do that, first need to head over right here to your dashboard. Then on your left sidebar, you can find this settings. So proceed to click on that. Once you're in there, under the website option, you can find the fav icon. When you click on it, you can add the fav icon that you wish to use. I'll choose in here the fav icon. Click on upload file. And after that, I will upload it to your file that you can utilize. I'll choose in here this one. Click on open. And then do take note that the image must be less than zero point 0.1 megabytes, so take note of that as well. You can head over to this site, which is imageresizer.com. Upload right here your image, select in here that, then click on the tab icon. After you have done that, this will upload this image, and let's proceed to resize it. In order to resize it, let's choose in here by size, which on this case, let's choose at around options right there. We have the target file size, which is around 100 kilobytes. After that, proceed to click on export. This will process it. And as you can see, we have done a new size, which is around 0.09 MB. Download it right there. Once you have downloaded it, head back right here into your Favicon site. Click onto this ad. Click on upload file, and let's upload the file that we have. As you can see, it's now being uploaded, and once it's done, you can proceed to click onto the save option right here. And once it's been saved, next thing you need to do is just head over to your site, refresh it in order to see if it actually make the changes for our actual site right there. So just save it and see if it actually works. And here it is right here already changed. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.